Hi guys, Grace Park, Sheffield. Thought I'd do a look at video. Look at this beautiful pony, look at that. Look at this. Touch us, hello, hello. Look at that. There's a part 1, but this is going to be a part 2. Look at this one here, it's just stare at this one. How cute this is. Let's get his feathers and look at this. Look at this beauty. Look at that. Look how beautiful this is. See what's down this way. I'm just going to go back up and go on the main bit, but there's nobody there. Check these out. Don't think there's out in that one. That cabin there. Look at all the space they've got there, not better. Look at that. Yeah, we'll not show that one what's in that little cabin, it's having a piss. Lol. Just see what's in this bit here. Don't go back at Animal Farm and get some more in there, I think. Is out in here? Nope. I'll tell you something guys, there's a pumpkin picking. Let's get this in here. Let's get all these pumpkins in. I think we can go in it, I think. Wow. Pumpkin guys, look at these here. Look at that. Get a picture of these, Babs. And that sign over there, please. Look at all pumpkins here. Look at that. I think I'm going to make more of that. Look at this spider. Fucking hell, didn't see that. Wait on, babe. I need to go back up to the farm and get the rest of the video. Don't want to get my missus in. Yeah, so I'll get a picture of them there. Yeah, look at this. Is that a peacock? Oh, some ostriches, guys. I'll get these in then. Let's get these in. Look at the size of these ostriches. Didn't realise they had these, did they? Could to end up part of the video anyway, but I'm going to get these zoomed in, these here. There's a spider down there, look. Look at these in there. Look at these ostriches, look at that. Look at the size of them. Right, now I'm going to walk back up. So I'm hoping now I don't get people in, but I can see people walking. Look at all that, it's beautiful. I mean, the clouds are just nice. Got a bit of blue sky there. Look at this bad boy. Look at that. Like I said, Grace Park, Sheffield, look it up. I'll have to put the camera down a sec. So I've not got you on camera, it's alright. It's been useless. Been useless for to do YouTube on here. Right guys, I'll come back here. I don't know if there's anybody else in here, but just try not to get no one in. But I think we're fine. Look at all this here, look. I'll just see the pumpkin. Get what I can in here then. Get these here. Get them. Right, see if I'm good, but not get down in with nobody there. The horses, I think. Might be able to get these in here, so this could be a better video. Some hot things in here. I might be able to go in there and do it as people are walking out. Lungs out. Get this way, look at that. Look at that. Got spoons there. So I'll get these in, the last bit of this is so I don't want to get no one in video like, so yeah. So I hope you enjoy that guys, like and subscribe, hit that notification, hit that bell, and I'll see you on the next one. I'll say Grace Park, Sheffield guys.